Hey everybody, Jack here, Grumpy Old Man. I wanted to do a breakdown of what Elliot Easton plays on My Best Friend's Girl on the solo. So I'm going to play it once through at speed. And now I'm going to break it down into parts, going as slow as I can, because it's definitely not the kind of solo that goes very slow, but I'll do my best. Okay. So it starts off with first part. One more time. And then the next part is and then he does like a pull off. So it's I use one finger, I pull, I'm on the 14th fret, I'm covering the G string and the B string. And he does another cockamamie thing, then he goes. And that's followed by, okay, let me just go from the, and then he goes. One more time. And he goes into this. Okay, one more time. And then it goes down into the flick. So it goes like this. One more time. Okay, now that's followed up by I hope that helps somebody. Had a lot of fun learning it. Thanks.